What's up, YouTube? So today I replaced my little blend door actuator or whatever. It was for the temperature. I only had it stuck on AC. I could never get heat. Replaced my thermostat because the thermostat was stuck and it was just staying at 100. Right now it's cold, right? So the symptoms I had is whenever I'd switch my temp knob right here, I'd just stay on AC the whole time, cold. The cold air would just come out. So I was like, man, fuck it, I'm gonna just replace that little actuator. So pretty much all it is you gotta take off this panel right here. Consists of 4 7mm bolts on the bottom. Take this off your cigarette lighter. It consisted of these little pop tabs right here. You just pop them out, pop this whole assembly out, and then your blend door actuator is right there. There's 2 bolts. 1, 2. Let me show you the size. It was a, hold on, let me see if I get the camera to focus. And it's not focusing. There we go, 5.5mm socket. Have a little swivel, tiny little ratchet. Get in there, take off the little connector on top, pull it out. Let me show y'all. Y'all can see a little lever moving right there at the bottom. That's on cool. I'm gonna go back to heat. You can see a little tiny notch on the bottom moving. Back to heat. Now I'm going back to cool. And then I noticed, voila, it's working. Cold air, hot air. Turn my AC back on. But yeah, you can see my little Eskimo head thing that I was wearing in the truck because I was driving it to work while it was cold. I drove it to work whenever it got down. It's like, what, 22 degrees over here? Super cold. Cold as right to work, 30-minute drive right there. But now I got that fixed. The blend door actuator down there is actually working now. Take the old one out because it didn't work. Now I'll just put the glove box. Oh, you got to take off the glove box too, right? Now I'm gonna put the glove box back in and all the pieces back in. For this little bolt right here on the side, like I said, I use that little swivel right here. I got it in there, right? Well, I got it in there the right way and just ratcheted it out. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, you know what I mean? So if you're having issues with your AC, it doesn't want to get hot when you switch it all the way to the heat, or it's stuck on heat and it doesn't want to go back to cold, that's your problem right there. I hope this video helps somebody out because, man, I did change the thermostat because I recently changed it like 7 months ago to a colder one. So you see how I'm getting temperature now? You see how it's like almost at like, what is it? 180, 190 on that middle mark right there. Well, it would just stay stuck at 100. When I took out the thermostat, it was stuck on open. But now that I fixed it, I know I should have heat. So the next issue was replacing that little actuator down there. So whenever I would move that, knowing damn well I had the hot truck, the temperature was heated up. Well, then I realized, hey, maybe it's that, and sure enough, it was that. Well, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I am restoring this bad boy. As you can see, I got a ranch hand on it now. I'm gonna make some more videos and let y'all know how it goes, but I want to get some 35s for this bad boy.